Today we're looking at part number 007-170-00. This is the 1 1/8 inch by 6 inch long equalizer bolt for 3 wide equalizers, or for 3 inch wide spring equalizers. So for 10K heavy duty, 12K, 15K, 16K axles, the equalizer bolt for that. This bolt is 6 inches usable length, or with the head it is 7 inches, well 6.5. It's 1 1/8 diameter. The head on it is 1 5/8 grade 5 bolt, and you would use these with the 12,000 pound, 15,000 pound, 16,000 pound equalizers. You can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687.